Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Selfridges selection Disney Mickey Fantasia milk chocolate figurine. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a chocolate figurine of the Sorcerer's Apprentice or Sorcerer Mickey from Disney's Fantasia. I'm just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And on the back of the box there is some product information with the ingredients list as well as nutritional information, and the chocolate weighs 165 grams. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear sticky tape that's keeping the box securely sealed. And let's pop open the box flap and taking a look directly inside of the box packaging. And let's slide out the chocolate figurine from its box packaging. I'm just setting the box to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop. And now giving you a look of this Selfridges selection Disney Mickey Fantasia milk chocolate figurine, as it is straight out of its box packaging but still in its protective clear tray. And now let's go ahead and open it up by separating the upper part from its bottom tray and giving you a look much closer in this time round at the details of this hollow 165 gram chocolate figurine of the Sorcerer's Apprentice. So giving you a side profile as well, as best that I can, before I take it out of its tray. Okay, and let's pop it out from its protective tray. I'm just setting that to the side and giving you a look at this chocolate figurine up close, and you can see the color of the chocolate figurine in that rich brown. And of course, now a better look at the thickness or profile of this figurine and the back as well. And I can smell the chocolate emanating from the figurine. And to give you some sense of its size, just resting this 165 gram chocolate figurine in my hand and gripping it as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see if we can separate it or break it apart. So let's do so. Right there, and you can see the parts or bits of this chocolate figurine now broken into several pieces and the hollow nature of its design. Okay, now just giving you a close-up look at the details of these pieces. And now let's go ahead and taste it. So there's this little piece here. Popping it in my mouth. So the chocolate has a rich velvety feel to it, and it does have that mild chocolate flavor, nothing too intense, but texture-wise, buttery and velvety to the taste. Now let's pop in a much larger piece, the one on the right, and give it another taste. So once again, very smooth and buttery, and with a mild cocoa flavor, which is really, really nice. So that's the Selfridges Selection Disney Mickey Fantasia Milk Chocolate Figurine. Thanks for watching and happy eating!